Modere. What is it? Is it another typical network marketing company, or is it a little bit different than your average network marketing company? In today's video, that's what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about what are their flagship products, what makes them different than your traditional network marketing. And full disclosure, yes, I am a Modere rep, and I am a Modere rep. I left my team of 1,000 to come over to Modere because what we have over here is very special. I'm going to be diving into it in today's video. And hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds, and I help network marketers brand themselves and bring their dream business online. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out. So Modere, why is it so different? To me, I ended up joining Modere. I left my team of 1,000 to come and build over here for several reasons. The first reason that I ended up coming over here was because I was so done with the online and the in-person parties. I was done with the party model of network marketing. It didn't work for me, and it didn't work for my team. And so what I love about Modere is they have a social retail model. And what is a social retail model? A social retail model means basically that you get a $10 off your first order. If you refer your friends and family, they get $10 off their first order, and you get product credit, $10 product credit for every person that you refer. So it's kind of like Guilt or Fresh Direct in terms of the social retail, right? 80% of our customers actually, 80% of our orders are actually through customers, and those customers are sharing their products. That was another thing that really drew me to Modere, because a lot of network marketing companies, you will see the FTC has gotten come down on because they don't really have customers. They have business builders. And so it's those business builders that are actually buying the product. We're at Modere, because of the model that we have, we've got over 80% of our orders coming from customers. So that's huge. The second thing that really drew me to Modere is their double-sided comp plan. What is a double-sided comp plan that Modere has? So they have two sides of the comp plan. If you can kind of think about it as an airplane, right? So an airplane has two wings. That's what Modere's side has. That's what Modere's comp plan has. We have one side that is totally devoted to the sales side. You can hit the top ranks in the company. You can earn bonuses on top of the company's revenue based on just your sales. So you are recognized, you hit the top ranks. You don't tap out like you do in so many other network marketing companies if you don't have a team. That does not happen over here at Modere. Then the second side of the comp plan is actually the team builder side, and that's when you hit the ranks for building a team, right? And so they're two totally separate legs, and I really love that idea, because when I was looking for a new home, I wanted people to win, whether they could build a team or whether they could just be really good at sales. And so that's what happened to me when I started to look, at Modere and see the success and how they do have really a home for anybody that wants to build their business. The third reason that I chose Modere is because of the way that they market themselves, right? Modere from corporate down teaches attraction marketing and branding yourself, and not doing that spammy Sally type of thing where you're messaging all your best friends and your family and your friends and you're seeing if they're open for the business. They really teach you how to brand yourself, provide value, show up, be authentically you, and attract people to you using attraction marketing. And what I also loved about Modere then is the product side. And so I wasn't sure at first if the products were gonna work, because I am a big believer in the products that you're selling, you have to be 100% on board with. And so what ended up happening is I tried the products. I had great success. I put my mom on the products. They've had great success. So Modere has a 7 international patented collagen, and their collagen is found in their weight loss. It's found by itself. It's found in its coffee. It's found in our facial products. And what I love about it is collagen is so hot, right? So it's a product that people want to get their hands on. But this collagen is so different and unique. Like I said, it's got 7 international patents, so it's not something that you can go and find in the grocery store or at any Whole Foods or health store. It is totally patented. You can't find it anywhere else. And what I love is it was very much on trends with today, where they've taken out all of the chemicals. So it is a clean living company where you can get anywhere from your collagen to your household products to your facial products to your bath products, everything that you need without the toxins. And so when I was looking for a home, I was looking for products that people wanted and that were very much in line with today's trends, and that's what I found over here at Modere. And like I said, I've been here for about 2 years now. The first year in my business, I hit the top ranks of the company, but more importantly, the systems that we have in place with the ATM method, which is add them to a group, tag them, and then message people, and the systems that we have in place for my team with the drip bots and having automation so that they're set up for success has really been a game changer for my business, and one of the major reasons that I have chosen to partner with Modere. So if you are interested in learning more about Modere, if you're interested in learning more about the opportunity, or you want to check out any of the products, in the description of this video, I'm going to give you a link so that you can contact me and we can see if Modere is a good fit for you, or if you'd like to try the products as well, I will leave a product linked for you as well, because you don't need to sign up. You can just be a customer as well. And my question of the day for you is, have you ever done network marketing? Put it in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I come out every week giving tidbits on how to grow your network marketing business online through video. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out of another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.